Danny, come here a bit. I need to ask you about something.
Hey Greg, what seems to be the problem? You sound like someone snatched your favorite blanket.
Cut it out, man. I need to know why my furnace fan is always on, because in my opinion, there must be a problem with the furnace that I just can't seem to gauge yet.
Well, by the way this sounds, I think that it's not really a problem at all. My furnace's fan also runs 100% of the time, and it never occurred to me that it may have a problem.
Is that true?
What I know is that a fan which runs continuously will reduce the wear and tear on the blower motor. So if you're not planning on replacing the motor too early, it's best to leave it always on.
I really had no knowledge of that. I also went online trying to look for some answers, but I guess that I just didn't know how to look for the info I need.
The fan might be on all the time, because it was set to run continuously. There are many benefits to this, and some included a cleaner air, due to the continuous filtering and more balanced temperatures in your home.
But are you sure my furnace has no problems?
I don't know that, Greg. All of these are my suggestions, and are not meant to replace any advice a professional can give you.
So you think it's better I also get in touch with a professional?
That's what I would do, but this is certainly a very minor issue that doesn't affect the functionality of the furnace at all. So you may want to skip calling a professional service.
Well, thanks a bunch for the tips, Danny. I really feel better now.
Don't mention it.